Hi guys and welcome to today's video. Today I am filming my second advent calendar video. There's probably going to be quite a few, to be honest, because I think I'm going to open some of them up. So do let me know in the comments which advent calendar you'd like me to open. But also I'm going to be filming another little mini roundup of the advent calendars which I didn't have ready to show you this time round. Today I uploaded a video with 14 different single brand advent calendars. There was Charlotte Tilbury, Elemis, Sleek, Soap and Glory, L'Occitane, loads and loads of different brands. But today I thought I would share with you 5 different multi-brand advent calendars. For me personally, I'd be buying a multi-brand advent calendar if I was spending my money on an advent calendar because I like the range of brands. That's as simple as that. I think single brand advent calendars are great if you love a single brand or you really want to discover a particular brand, but I'm quite fortunate that I do get to try a lot of different brands already, but I like the variety I get in a multi-brand calendar, and I like discovering new brands that they sometimes have in there as well. But this year there are so many multi-brand calendars. There is Birchbox, Glossybox, Cult Beauty, Space NK, Selfridges, Net-a-Porter, Harrods. These are all off the top of my head. Where else? I think like, oh, Boots has some excellent multi-brand advent calendars. There's just so many great ones. But today I've got 5 to show you and I'm so excited about all 5. And I was actually thinking like which one's my favourite, and I love them all so much that I don't think I can even pick a favourite. But like I mentioned, I would love to do an unboxing, so if you guys would like to see a particular unboxing, just let me know in the comments. So the first advent calendar I'm going to start with is the M&S one. This is pretty much my #1 go-to advent calendar year after year. Now that I've thought about it slightly longer, I'm just reading over my notes, I still think this is the best advent calendar. Probably shouldn't have started with this one, but the reason I think this is the best is because it's such good value for money. It's £40, which is such a good price. It's by far the cheapest multi-brand advent calendar I have to show you, but you do have to spend £25 in store in order to get it. So I guess in theory it's like £65, but you also have something else that you spent £25 on. I'm hoping I make sense, but basically I still think that's a really good deal, and I just think the brands inside are always great. This year, style wise, it's not my favourite. It's not bad, it's just not my favourite. I really liked the gingerbread house they done, which I think was last year or the year before, I'm not sure, but nonetheless it's still a nice advent calendar. It's worth £300, which is so amazing, and it includes 6 different full-size products and the rest are sample sizes, and there are 24 different doors, and inside they are boxes. Like I said, I'll happily open this, but I'm not going to go through them now. I will actually open box #1 for all the calendars because this is an issue. I feel like you can't open this calendar standing up. I feel like you have to lie it down. But let's go with box #1. Already, Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. I love this. I have this already. It's a full-size product. It's a great full-size product. I feel like Aveda is an incredible brand, but not everyone has tried it. But I still think that a lot of people haven't tried it. It's a great brand for a lot of people to kind of discover, and all the brands that are available in here are also available in M&S. M&S actually has a really good beauty selection. I think people just don't automatically assume to go to M&S for beauty, but largely because of the price and because I think all the products inside are always great, this is probably my #1. There is M&S own brand products, but then you have Nails Inc, Murad, which is an amazing brand, Nukes, Emma Hardy, amazing, This Works, amazing, L'Occitane, one of my faves, Ren, Alpha H, Stila, Pure, Ico, Autograph, loads of really good brands in here, and I think it's a nice mixture of brands that you all already know and love, and also new brands as well. And that will be out on the 31st of October. They do sell out though, so just keep that in mind. You're probably gonna want to be buying it within the first like 5 or so days, I would say, but conveniently it's around payday. Next is actually a new advent calendar from a brand that's never done one before, and again it's a brand that does amazing beauty products, but I think we just don't automatically think of going there for beauty, and that is Next. This is the 24 days of beauty from Next. It's £65 and worth £239. It's out now, but it's also going to be available from Fabled, which has a store on Tottenham Court Road, and I believe is available online as well. I'm not 100% sure why you'd go to Fabled over Next though, I'm not sure. Anyway, so this is a little look inside. Honestly, I think it's just a standard simple advent calendar. This is actually going to be one that I think I will open because I've never had one before, so I'm really interested to see what it's like inside. I'll run you through a few of the brands. Okay, the brands are good in here. Dermalogica Smashbox, Dr. Pawpaw, Vita Liberata, Aveda, Arborian, Balance Me, By Terry, Pixie, Dr. Botanicals, Illamasqua, Lord & Nails Inc, This Works, and more. I am so excited to open this. I cannot wait. And again, I think it's a great advent calendar, and they also have a men's version, which I think is really cool because I feel like men are often forgotten in this beauty world, so it's great to see that that's an option as well. Next is this huge one from Latest in Beauty. This one's a big one, like really very big. This is the 8th year they have done one. It's usually one of my favourites. It usually sells out. It's great. It's £65, which again for an advent calendar I think is pretty mid-range. It is actually a little bit cheaper if you're a Latest in Beauty subscriber. It's actually £58 if you're a Latest in Beauty subscriber, and it's actually worth £277. So still, I think the M&S one is the best value for money, but sometimes I wonder how they're working it out. We've got brands such as Aromatherapy Associates, Show Beauty, Charles Worthington, Lottie, Bondi Sands, Sanctuary Spa, Moroccan Oil, Sally Hansen, Temple Spa, Avon, Molten Brown. A really nice mix of brands, and actually I suspect quite a lot of them are full sizes because this is massive. On to the final two, and these are probably from where you would naturally expect to go for a multi-brand advent calendar, and the first one is Feelunique. They are actually launching two different calendars, which I think is quite nice. This one here is the smaller one. This is the 12-day one. This one is £45, but if you do want 24 days, that's £79, which is still pretty reasonable. It's less than double of this one, if that makes sense. Honestly, design wise, this isn't my favorite. It's not Christmassy. It's very chromatic. Is that even a word? There's a lot of chrome going on. It's similar boxes to the M&S. You should probably lie this down when you open it because sometimes when you take the boxes out they move like that. Again, I'll open box number one for this one. Inside, I don't know what this is. Ooh, there's a Zoeva Strobe gel in Halo. This sounds nice. See, this is why I love a multi-brand. You just don't know what you're gonna get. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, I really like the look of this. It's very well packaged. Wow, that's very nice. Oh, it's like, feels like a putty almost. Oh, that is nice. And that's a really good full-size product. That's actually pretty big for a strobing gel. And this is actually a nice one if you don't want to spend over £50, but you do want a multi-brand. Oh, I was going to have a look at brands, but it hasn't got brands on the back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a little peek inside, and I'll tell you the brands to a few of them. We've got Invisibobble. Love Invisibobble. Brand I don't know. Sigma, which is a great brand I really love. And I'll do one more because this is quite a small calendar. I don't want to basically tell you what's inside all the boxes. And then let's do this one here. Paula's Choice, again a really lovely skincare brand. So I do think this is a nice calendar. And then packaging wise, out of all of them, this is my favourite by far. This is like really luxurious, and actually this one is £79, which is I think a very good price for something that looks this luxurious, and it's worth 420. This is really good value as well. Not quite as good as the M&S, I don't think, but it's up there. I think this is particularly great because if you are a LookFantastic box, like beauty box subscriber, you get £15 off. And I think if you are a beauty box subscriber with LookFantastic, it's kind of a shame not to pick this one up. Although I do worry that maybe some of the brands are a bit repeated, but this would be £64 if you are a LookFantastic beauty box subscriber, which is such a good price. But let's have a little look on the inside. Just love this. I think this is a really stunning box for the price. Even in comparison to the single brand advent calendars, none of them look this nice for this sort of price. We'll open a few of these again. I'm going to open box number one. That looks luxury. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, I spotted this as well. They have little cards explaining what everything is. Oh my god, I am so excited. You know when sometimes like you don't know you want something until you see it and then you're like, oh my god, where has this been my whole life? I have been really wanting to try Morphe, but I have so much beauty that I can't really justify buying too much. So excited. I would never have bought this for myself. Maybe I would have, but I shouldn't ever have bought this for myself. Love this. This is in box number 1, and this is the Always Golden 9A Morphe palette. That's such a nice way to start December, and it was wrapped beautifully. It's not going to be wrapped beautifully now. Again, it doesn't have any brands on the back, so I'm just going to open a few to let you know what's inside. They're all wrapped in paper. Emma Hardy, First Aid Beauty, Molten Brown, Neil's Yard, and this will be my last one. What's this? And Bubble Tea. I must admit, you do see some brands kind of come up over and over again in different calendars, which I don't necessarily mind, because I guess most people aren't buying 4 different calendars in a year. That is something to bear in mind a little bit. I'm so excited to open all of these. I don't even know which one I'm going to start with first, but I'm so excited to do it. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and do let me know what you'd like to see me open next. I probably might do the next calendar again because I've never had one before. I'm very, very excited about them. I'm just excited about all of them basically. But thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I shall see you all very soon. Bye.